engulfed in flames, and it's getting bigger and bigger.
Yeah. I thought the snow will shut it up.
I guess it was scraping the snow, so probably that's why it burnt. It overworked. It burned up.
Because too much snow.
Mm-hmm.
Are they looking for a bomb?
I guess they're putting their gears on, getting on the
Oh,
truck. Ooh,
what?
it started exploding. It's like it popped.
Maybe the whole truck will blow up.
That's not good. They got like 6 cars around it, including mine.
Yeah.
But they're here. See, they're coming up the road. The fire truck, the water truck is right